Hello everyone and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel after a long time. I've been pretty good in uploading videos on my Serbian channel, but I lost inspiration when it comes to this channel, and there I speak about books, so I have always a topic. And to be honest, I was too lazy to speak in English. But I'm at work currently on my break, and today I'm going to Ikea to buy a desk and a small bookshelf. So I thought it would be interesting to film that and to film, how do you say it, assembling my desk and bookshelf. And yeah, that's why I'm talking to you now. I'm going back to work and you will see me later. So I didn't film in Ikea because I didn't have memory nor battery, but I wouldn't film anyway because it was a quick buy and because I was so mad because employees were really rude. So nothing goes according to plan because I wanted to put my furniture last night and I asked my landlord for a hammer, so I don't have to buy a hammer just for this. But he said that he couldn't find it and that he will give it to me in the morning, and he didn't. And now he's at home and ignoring me, and my proudest self doesn't want to call him anymore, and I'm off to buy a hammer so I can assess the furniture before I go to work. Why do I still hold on this? I know I look sweaty as fuck. I've got the hammer, but I realized that it's noon. I don't have much time. I don't know how much time I'm gonna need for the shelf and the desk. So yeah, now I have my own hammer, which I don't know where to keep. And they didn't have one with the smaller handle. Whatever. I'm just going to try and find my tripod, and then we could start filming. And I need to make some memory in my phone because this is going to take a long time. This doesn't really fit properly, but we'll see. I'm sorry you can't see this, but I really don't have time to be a real YouTuber and have 20 different angles. And I don't have my tripod, so it is what it is. I'm just putting this into these holes, and I'm going to fucking break something, and I don't know if you could see because I turned on a wide angle camera. God knows why. Maybe because I needed wide angle. But this is so fun, but this hole is way smaller than the screw, and I'm really afraid that it is going to fall apart because this white part is like getting off. What the fuck, IKEA? And I need to move this first of all. I mean, this one was way easier. Wireless screws and every part has a number on it. I like didn't need to think about which is which part. And I mean, I'm not stupid. For this shelf, it's obvious which part is which, but I have a desk to make. So yeah, that will be an adventure, and I'm still not sure how this shelf needs to be built. I mean, I followed the instructions, but it's way different than the big one I have from Yisk. The Yisk one is way simpler, and I don't have a carpet, and this needs to be on a carpet, so I'm doing it on this little one, and I need to move everything every 2 minutes. But I'm almost done with part 2. I'm only on part 2 and it's been a half an hour. Yeah, these holes are way small for these screws, and it's damaging the shelf because the white part is coming off, but it has this like metal part which pushes it down. So I guess it's okay, but to me it's still not okay to make a wide screw and a tiny hole. What the actual fuck, IKEA? In case you didn't know, oh, it's okay. In case you didn't know, IKEA came to Serbia like, maybe I'm going to lie to you, you can Google it, but I feel like a year or 2 ago, maybe 3 years ago. So IKEA furniture to us is like, wow, but also it should be like cheap furniture, and for our standards it's not cheap at all. I mean, this shelf is cheap. It was 2,000 dinars, which is less than 20 euros, but the same shelf like this in like wood color is like 40 euros, and the same one in black is 60 euros. Also the desk, it was like white grayish one, it was 40 euros and it was sold out, so I needed to pay 60 euros for this one, and it's the fucking same table. So what do I need to do next? I need to get this, okay, and put it, oh, this is the top one. I need to put it like this. How I'm going to, how I'm supposed to do that? Oh, I guess this is how I'm supposed to do that. Oh, fuck, I put it the wrong way. Fuck, I put it the wrong way. Okay, just this part is stuck now. See you later. So congrats to me, everything that I could be doing wrong, I've done wrong, but I realized that on time, and I also realized that you can fucking see anything from this box. So now the confusing part to me. Oh no, I have the little part. The little part. How do I put the little part in? Why is it showing a nail when there is not a nail here? And why do I have this step 2 times? I don't fucking get it. What am I supposed to do with this? What? That's it? How am I going to pull it out if it's not okay? I fucked it up. Of course, I fucked it up. I'm so stupid. I thought this is going to be fun. Here is the fucking nail. Now it has sense. Okay, I get it now. I get first 4 and then the other 4. For fuck's sake. I imagined this to be fun, like building my first shelf, but this is so fucking complicated. I'm fucking scared of setting up my desk. I can say that. We're going to put the second big part. Excuse the mess, but finally, now the fucking desk. So I left the shelf here. Oh, I'm eating. I was eating, so sorry. I'm going to leave the shelf here because it should be there. And that's a whole another video for my other channel. So I'm not going to put it there yet. This desk is very heavy to me because it's half my weight. I mean, I'm 100 pounds and this is 49 pounds, for God's sake. Okay, let's go. I feel this is going to be tough because look at this. Fuck. The shelf had 8 of these and 8 of these. Now the table has 30 of each. But the table has 22 of this and I've got 23. The shelf, I would like it to be like one box taller, but there was like this small one and one that's all the way up here, which would be okay, but then I can't hang anything there. So yeah, currently I have my manga box on top, but if I realize that I don't have space, I will move this and like stack books on top of it. So if at some point I realize that I don't have really space for more books, there is like this desk is 90 centimeters wide, and there is 60 centimeters wide shelves. Like there would be from the end up to here, I think, and those are 3 shelves. I would put my speaker up, and I guess I would put my monitor here, or I would put shelves here and monitor here. So yeah, maybe there will be another update at some point for this table. So that is it from me for this video. I hope that you like it. I'm sorry that I'm like all sweaty, but it's fucking, I don't know, 32, 35 degrees, and I can't stand it. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope that you like this video. I hope that I will make another one soon. Until another one, who knows when, I wish you all the best. Be safe and see ya.